Hi everyone, ¿cómo está todo el mundo? I just received 2 more packages again today. I will leave the link on the bottom. But let's see what this is. This feels like a mold or something. I don't know what's in here. That's what it feels like. I don't know. I think it came from Aliexpress. Don't know. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. I don't know. Oh, this came from Aliexpress. I was waiting for this sucker for the freaking longest. Oh my god. And it finally got here. Oh wow. Look.
What is that, a mold?
Oh, it's sealed too. Let me open it up. Oh wow. Let me use this again. So I'm making a video. Look what I got. Oh freaking wow. It's for those jewels, the one that you gotta squish down, you know. This is pretty nice. You know, you put it in there in different places, whatever, and you squeeze down. Es para una, ay Dios, no sé dónde están ahora, pero si lo tenían te enseño cómo es. If I had it in front of me right now, I will show you what you do with it, with this. But yeah, lo que tú lo pones aquí en diferentes, tú puedes poner una aquí o una aquí, donde quieres, anyway. Y pone esto y presta un poco para abajo así y el de eso te puede, tú sabes, va a poder a ponerlo en la uña tuya. You'll be able to put it on your nails once you squeeze down and, you know, take it and put it on your nails. But oh wow, it freaking finally got here. I waited for this for the freaking, I think, like 2 months already. I will have to look, but it's been very long that I had this, that I had to wait for this. Tenía que esperar un montón de tiempo para esto. Wow. Y ahora es que me llega. Now I just received it. Ahora ya me llegó. Well, that's good, which is about time. Let's see what this is. Because I've been waiting. I'm still waiting for a lot of packages. Todavía estoy esperando por un montón de cosas. Vamos a ver qué es esto. This is what? Glitters or something? Ay, mira, me llegó. Por fin. It's about freaking time. Mira qué bonito. Los compré para uña o por una cosa que yo voy a hacer. I bought it for nails, but I'm also going to use it for something that I plan to be doing. That's why I'm getting a lot of things. You know? Pero mira qué bello. It's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. What are you doing?
I made a poo.
Did you just say you made a poop?
No,
why are you
poo.
saying it on my
I made
girl?
A poo.
Yeah, and they know that you made a poo. Okay, let the world know you did poop then. Okay.
Poo.
Did you just say it stinks?
No,
Oh.
I made a poo with water.
With water? Oh, wait a minute. You ain't saying poop. You said pool.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I made poo.
What are you doing over there in the bathroom? I hope you didn't wet all the floor and everything.
No.
Oh Lord, you see that? Jesus.
You. I'll be playing with my sink.
She made a pool, I see, huh? Uh-huh. She just told me. Well, anyway, this is what I received today. This is what I received today.
Say hi, everyone.
Say hi, everyone.
Say hi. No, turn your
I don't know. You're going to have to turn her around and put her through.
Hi.
Go
I see
ahead.
you.
I see her. Say hi, everyone.
Say I'm Zandalin, the one everybody's fighting over, because I'm so pretty and I'm so precious and I look like my mommy. And I say bye.
And the other side of the family,
That's irrelevant.
yeah, irrelevant.
Jorge.
And have been abusing my child.
Yep. Which I said it on
There's
one of
a
the other
bruise on her head. You can see that. I wonder if they
Le
see
están,
that. I
le
can't
están
see.
haciendo golpe a la nena
And blaming me.
y diciendo que mi hija lo hizo cuando ya no hizo
Diapers
nada.
agreed.
And vamos a hacer un video de eso. We'll do a video of that for y'all can know what we're talking about. And that's why we're suing Diapers. Por eso que vamos a demandar a Diapers. Se van a joder todo. They all going to get theirs. But yeah, this video wasn't about that. This video was what I received today, you know. So, bye everyone.